Alright folks, thanks for checking in Stormtopia.com and Stormtopia.com Facebook page. Remember, daily weather update right now. Folks, Weatherweenie all tired out after yesterday's storm. Obviously brought a lot of stress and a lot of interesting weather to the northeastern United States. But you really have to be north of Hartford and Providence to really get too much out of that. Otherwise, you know, you're not weathered out yet. However, I think there's an event coming up early week which will certainly do that for you. So let's take a look at high temperatures for today. It's going to be quiet too. 2 days are the pick of the week. Pick of the next 3 to 4 days, I'd say, would be the weekend across the Northeast. We're going to be looking at temperatures today, topping out in the 50s and sunny skies. As we make our way out on and in through tomorrow, you can see what ends up occurring then is a storm is building off to the west, and we're getting a little bit of cooler air, so we probably won't make it out of the 40s for New York City northward. However, south of New York City, temperatures will likely top out in the 50s, and it should be another nice day all around, although it may likely be the lower to mid 50s as opposed to temperatures like 57 and 59. But then we get a storm watch going on Monday. So let's take a look what ends up occurring here. So here we are at 12Z on Sunday. You can see that the map is showing precipitation moving through the upper Midwest. We've got a little bit of snow on the front end. And right now the 540 line is not a good indicator of where you're actually snowing. It's actually more like the 546 line as a, yeah, 546 line is a good rain snow line indicator. So if you were to forget about the blue line and just look for the second red line behind that, that would be our rain snow line. So here it is pushing, and then Monday it looks like it wants to produce some snow into the northeast. Likely the same areas, Hartford and Providence northward. You can definitely be looking at some snow over the rain with increasing southerly winds. But what my real concern, where my real concern arises is behind this. Okay, and this is really a severe weather outbreak that could cause absolutely major implications. And I've been watching this not just for today's guidance products, but you know, ever since I've actually been looking at the storm we just had, I've actually also been tracking this on the guidance, and it has not gone away. So what I want to show you here is the latest information that we've obtained on this event, and I'm going to do that by showing you the NAM. So this would be the 6-hour precipitation run of the NAM, and you can see what ends up occurring here is as the storm makes its way on in through the area, and then we shift down. You can see this is a line of severe storms that's making its way on through the upper mid-Atlantic, and this would be the concern. Okay, we're not sure how far north they'll have to be to outrun most of the primary storminess, although it may be New York City, and maybe for the third time in a row, Hartford, Providence, northward, things are changed. So that's where I think, you know, that's also where I expect some cold air damming ahead of the Monday snow. But this is likely a Tuesday event, and still lots of things that remain questionable about this event, but just something to watch. Just keep an eye to the sky on Tuesday for the potential of some severe weather in the East Coast, as well as the Tennessee Valley earlier, and the southeastern United States. And that's it for now. I've discussed everything I want to discuss. Hope I didn't bore you out of your skull. Enjoy your day.